Why Rekha is refusing COVID-19 test? Novel coronavirus has entered our Bollywood industry and looks like it will not leave our B-town anytime soon. Many Bollywood biggies, their relatives and house staff have already got infected with the virus. Seems like Rekha might be the next target. Let us find out in the video if the evergreen Bollywood diva is alright. On Saturday, when the news of Big B and Abhishek being positive with COVID-19 broke the internet, another news also caught the attention. As per the reports, the watchman of evergreen Bollywood diva Rekha's house tested positive with the novel coronavirus. As soon as the watchman's report came, Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation was informed and the watchman was taken to a quarantine center. After the watchman's report, all the other watchmen and house staff were ordered by the BMC to get their tests done. Another 4 watchmen's report of COVID-19 have come positive from Rekha and her neighboring bungalows. Rekha lives at the sprawling bungalow named Sea Springs and her neighbors are lyricist Javed Akhtar and his family. A team of Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation reached Bollywood actress Rekha's bungalow to sanitize and seal it. But sadly, the Umrao Jan of Bollywood threw huge tantrums and even did not let the corporation workers in. Why did Rekha throw tantrum and why did not she allow the BMC workers in her bungalow? Let us find out. The workers of Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation sanitized the surrounding areas of Rekha's house, but they were not able to sanitize the inside. Because when the workers arrived to sanitize the bungalow and seal it and to take samples of the actress, no one opened the gate. Rekha's manager, Farzana, informed the BMC workers through the phone that Rekha would not go through a test until she gets symptoms. Rekha even refused to sanitize the inside of her house and said that she did not come in contact with any of the watchmen. This is why BMC workers could not seal her bungalow, but they declared Rekha's bungalow as a containment area. As per reports, Rekha has not left her house for the last 4 months and she did not even let anyone in her house during these 4 months. Rekha has even stopped talking with anyone and if there's an emergency, her manager Farzana is talking with people on behalf of her. Only the area where the domestic staff of Rekha's house lived got sanitized and sealed by the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation. Share your thoughts in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates from Bollywood.